hi guys, what is up? It's Casey here and welcome back to my channel. So just today I did dye my hair. So I'm not sure if this really looks good on me, but right now I'm definitely liking it, but I want it a little bit lighter. And this one is kind of orangey. I wanted it to be like yellowish. But I don't know. Let me know guys what you think about this. Also today we just got a new queen mattress for our bedroom and we're gonna build it, and then after we're gonna go out and watch fireworks competition. And here in Montreal it's only during Saturdays and Wednesdays that they're having this like event or fireworks competition. And they said tonight, because today is Saturday, tonight it will be China will be showing off their fireworks, and they said they've been winning a lot recently, especially the fireworks area. So I'm really looking forward to see how it goes later on. I'm gonna bring you with me guys and I'm excited, so I hope you enjoyed this video. So that's our new bed. It's a queen size. Well, that one is not the mattress. I believe it's called the back spring or something. And then the mattress is already like in the bedroom and like the steel something under there. So today we're gonna build it.
Wow! This is so cool, these concept beds.
Like this, so it's easy to shift. And then it's just gonna expand.
Very heavy.
So heavy.
I am the one with the Come on. Go.
Casey, you want to grab your end? Nice, okay.
Okay, so this is the new bed now. We just unboxed it, built down there. And they said it's still gonna expand and we have to wait for like 4 hours before we use it, and we're really excited. What is it? You're excited to go out? You're gonna bring your bike when we go to see the fireworks? You said we're gonna go on the bridge and walk there.
Wow.
How lucky are you that you have a bike? Huh? But you have to behave, okay?
Okay.
When we say stop, you stop, okay? When we say slow down,
We break.
and slow down, okay?
Okay.
I love you.
Good feet.
I love you.
Me too.
Tu j'aime beaucoup.
Bibi.
Pourquoi?
That's good.
Parce que quoi?
Je suis ton petit sœur.
Oui.
I want to hug you. Whoa.
Veux-tu câler?
We.
Okay. You like my new hair?
Yeah.
What does it look like?
Strawberry.
Strawberry?
There's a potato in your head.
Oh no, I think that's a bad thing. Is it?
I'm only kidding.
Okay.
It's only.
So get ready because we're going soon, okay?
I'm a